Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, April 6th, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right. We have problems number 9 through 12 today for our bell ringer. So first they want us to look at 2 1/2 times 3 1/10. And this is one of those problems that you cannot multiply these two numbers without converting to an improper fraction. So that's the first thing that I'm going to do is convert these both to improper fractions. 2 times 2 is 4. Do the old loop-de-loo here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, so I get 5 halves times 10 times 3 is 30, plus 1 is 31, so I get 31 tenths. Now I just multiply straight across, top times top, bottom times bottom. So 2 times 10 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So I get 1/55/20ths. But I need to convert back into a mixed number. So I know that 20 can go into 150. Well, I know that 7 times 20 is going to give me 140. 8 times 20 is going to give me 160. So that's a little bit too big. So I'm going to go ahead and go 7, and then that would leave me with 15/20ths. But we cannot do that, so 7 3/4. 7 3/4 is your final answer there. All right. For number 10, they want us to find the greatest common factor of 12 and 16. And remember, your factors are the numbers that you actually multiply together to equal these digits here. So my factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. My factors of 16 are 1, 16, 2, 8. 3 times nothing equals 16. 4 times 4. 5 times nothing equals 16. 6 times nothing equals 16. So that means that my greatest common factor is 4 because it shows up in both of my lists. My greatest common factor is 4. All right, and then they want us to find 3/5 of 30. That just means that we're going to multiply 3/5 times 30. So I put 30 over 1. 3 times 30 is going to get me 90. 5 times 1 gets me 5. And then 5 goes into 90. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Pull down your 0. 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Get a 0. So that gets me 18. 18. 3/5 of 30 is 18. And then last but not least, we have 3 53/100ths times 300ths. So 3 times 3 is 9. You just solve this as if it were a normal problem first. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I get 1059, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in my problem, so I have to have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in my answer. So I get 0 and 1059 10,000ths. All right. And we're going to do numbers 3 on the front and number 3 on the back. So number 3 on the front, it says, what is the value of 9 in 60 and 394 thousandths? So I know that this 9 is in the hundredths place, so it's not 9 tenths, it's not 9 thousandths, it's not 9 hundreds, it's 9 hundredths. And then number 3 on the back here. The weight of a thumbtack. Tim weighed a thumbtack 4 times and got these readings. He got 1.24, 1 2400ths, 1 2600ths, 1 2200ths, and 1 2/10. And it says which measurement is the smallest. And so I want you to keep in mind that 2/10 is equivalent to 1 2000ths, so that means that that has to be the smallest one here. That has to be the smallest one. All right, and then our password for today. Hashtag midweek. Hashtag midweek. Have a good one, guys.